All right. So, hi friends. In this session, you are going to learn about parse data activity. Yeah. Now it's here. So, as usual, create a add activity. Inside add activity, go to general activities and select a timer. In timer, the output of timer goes to parse data activity. Okay. So, what does parse data activity does or do? It will take the data from files, or you can directly provide some string to parse data activity. Okay, so first we will talk about file and then we will talk about strings. And you can log it or you can use it in any way you want. So let's give a log activity as well here. Okay, so let's set a parse data activity. Go to properties, select general. In data format resource, here no default value is set, so you have to go to search and create a shared resource. So it will create a shared resource, and then you have to configure that. So out of this, just select, change this one and select second, not this one, yeah, this lines, new line. Instead of new line, select carriage return front slash line feed windows. Okay, and here you need to select a schema, but before that we have to create a schema. So first we will create a schema. So go to schemas, new XML schema file, and name it as, let's say, parse data sample 1, parse data sample 1, enter. So create an add an element here, parse data sample 1, give it a type, set a complex type. Okay, parse data sample 1. Okay, and now build two elements in this. So one is name and another one I am inserting is age. Okay, let's save this, close this, and select in the configuration here, select parse data sample 1. Okay, I've selected. You can see name and age is here now. You can close this now, save this. Okay, now from which file you need to get the data? So input type could be either string or either file. So I'm selecting file first to show file details, then I'll be selecting string. Okay, so go to input and give the file name over here. Okay, and number of records you need to give -1. So file name over here you need to give. So how you will give? You have to go to wherever your file is. Let's say my file is maxi.txt and maxi.txt is having one name and age. So I'll change the age here, some 27, 21 I will keep, and here instead of maxi I will say Naruto 25. Okay, I have saved this file and I want to read parse data from this file. So I'll be giving the entire address and the file name, maxi.txt. Enter, enter, enter. Save this. So as soon as you save this, okay, parse data sample is the row, is the output. Okay, general, everything is fine here. What is this error? Let's see. The activity parse data has input configuration invalid conversion from string to integer. String to integer. Okay. Let's just do here typecast untyped input. Okay, we can go back to our schema, our schema, sample one, our data sample, and this is 2 times. Okay, so I just want to check whether the data type is changed automatically now. Image string, why it was saying integer. Okay, no problem. So the output of parse data will go to the input of log. So whatever is read by parse data will go to input of log. So let's take the output of parse data, whatever rows. So I'll take name and I'll keep it in message. I'll just remove this and I'll save it. So once that is done, we are good. So let's print this now. So let's run this application now. How can I run it? Let's go to debug configuration. Same thing. 1214 debug. So wait for a while and let's see if the names are coming there. So in my file, last time we remember that one name was Maxi, another name was Naruto. Okay, so it has read both the names and printed in log activity. Okay, guys. So that's how a file can be parsed. The data in the file can be parsed. And that's it for this session. Thank you, people.